So, kapag nagsusummarize kayo, you have to condense the main ideas. So, naiintindihan nyo ba yung about niya kung paano i-condense the main ideas? Pag sinabi natin condense, ano yung synonym niya? Yes? What's the main idea? Kapag sinabi natin condense, i-compress natin. I-compress. I-compress natin yung pinaka-main ideas dun sinabi doon sa quotation. Then, it also highlight the key points without all the extra details. Kung ano nilalagay lang sa summary, yun lang talaga yung pinaka-main point. Also, it is a great way to ensure that you have to understand the main message of what we have read or heard. So, ano nga yung tatlong, ano nga yung 3 ways to incorporate other writers' work in your writing based on the similarity to the source. Ano nga yung tatlo?
Quotations, paraphrasing, summarizing,